So you're away from campus, and while most everything you need is available just fine, you specifically need to get to your shared drives or banner or a test environment that is only available on campus. VPN to the rescue. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and basically tunnels you right into campus as if you were there in person. Let's walk through getting you set up. For this video, we'll be using Chrome on Windows 10, but the FortiClient VPN used by Kettering works on Windows, Macintosh, and even Linux. If you need help with any configuration outside of this video, feel free to contact the help desk at helpdesk@kettering.edu. So for our example here, this test site is not available outside of Kettering. It's behind our firewall. I can verify by noting that our regular website loads just fine. So let's type in VPN into the site and go to Virtual Private Network. All the information that you need, including links to all the help sheets, are on this page. It's got instructions on how to install it, and once you've installed it, how to connect. But for today, we want to make sure that we're able to install it. So we can open up the help sheet, which has all of this information in text to reference to, and also has the link that we're going to need today to download the software, right there in Google Drive. We'll open up that link and click download. Once it's downloaded, we can either tell it to open when done, or once it is downloaded, open up the folder and click on the FortiClient setup file itself. You'll see the preparing to install screen. Then you can agree to the license agreement and click next. Click next again, and install. This is fast forwarding. Yours will take longer than this, but you see the notification that it's updating, that it's downloading all that it needs, and that it's up to date. Then you can finish, and the program's installed. All you need to do is go to your Applications menu and click on the FortiClient VPN. From here, you'll just need to click on Remote Access, click on Configure VPN, and use the settings in the help sheet. Employee, it's a great name for it. Make a description so you remember that it's for us at Kettering, and then put in the remote gateway vpn1.kettering.edu:443/employee. Note that the settings that I'm using are for employees. If you're a student, just substitute the word student for employee as noted in the help sheet. Make sure that the port is 443, client certificate is none, and prompt on login for authentication. Then you just click Save, and this instance is set up to use in the future as well. When prompted, enter your username and login, and it will connect and give you notification that you are now on Kettering's network. And now we can see by our test site, we can load the test site that's normally behind the firewall just fine.